Now in 2024, I did a few workshops in different parts of the world, and I am using this particular model which is called the impact framework itself, and I want to share this particular model. By the way, I've got a 10 out of 10 feedback from all the workshops, so I know it works in everything that you can consider and do. It can work in leadership, it can work in growing your revenues, it can work in your board structure, it can work in increasing your profits, it can work in all those areas. So what is the impact model itself? I stands for intention. Make sure you have those intentions in place. I normally call it SPON, specific point of destination. So collective intentions, that's the I. M stands for the mindset. 80% is mindset, 20% is skills, competencies and experiences. So work on that particular element of your mindset as well. Having an adaptable and agile mindset as well. So that is very important. The P stands for people, and you need to work on the culture. You need to work on the people. It has to be that human connection. You have to leverage as much as you can and pick up perspectives, get feedback as well. A stands for accountability, and I've seen this a big missing piece in very many companies. So make sure you have clarity, you don't have any role duplicity, and there's this complete seamless system that you have in place where accountability is core. C stands for cost leadership, and everything that you do, there has to be that cost leadership from a strategic standpoint itself. And T stands for traction. This is where the nuances, this is where the rubber meets the road. This is where you can work on the different tools and strategies depending on where you are applying this particular model. If you need more help or if you need more assistance, please reach out to me. I've got a program as well on this particular impact model which can really make a huge transformative impact in your particular business. I hope this helps.